Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I've got a little update here on my Mr. Buddy heater and with the little fans I have that go on top of the wood burning stove. My friend over at Gunslinger Outdoors recommended a video. I watched it and it's a really cool idea. Basically what he did is, and that's what I'm going to be doing here, and let me get this up here so you can see it. You see this black notch right here? I'm putting a permanent marker on there. I'm going to take my hacksaw, make 2 cuts in there, and then drill a hole at the end so it'll provides a little notch in there so that on this second rod here, it'll just slide in, it'll slide back in and lock in position. And so first of all, I want to show you something. This is cold. This is cold. I'm going to just go ahead and turn this on right now real quick to show you how fast this does work here. There's the pilot going. It's starting to warm up. And so what I'm going to do when I knock this out, I'll drill the hole first and I'll cut in with the hacksaw just so it's wide enough for the wire for it to slide in and lock in position. In the meantime, I got a cheater hack. I got a bolt. And so basically what I do is here, I'm going to set the bolt on there like that. And what I'll do is I'll set it here, put the bolt on there, bing, voila. And there it holds it there in place. Now I've been using this for the last 2 days like this. It doesn't slip around, doesn't come loose. I could just do it like that. But I really want to have it with a notch so it's held in there a little bit more securely. But it's just one of the little things that you can do here. It's starting to get warm there. There we go. Get it aimed right. And it will work either way. Gunslingers Outdoor actually had the notch cut in there and did it. And what I'm just waiting for here right now is for it to warm up here. It should take less than a minute. And let me go ahead and turn it up a little bit. And it works really good. I've been using the other one that has the tank hooked up to it back in the office. This one I've been using in the master bathroom to get the air moved around on it. I got a couple more of these fans coming so I can put other fans back on top of the wood burning stove when I'm not using them on this. That way I don't have to take this back and forth each time. And let's see, has it started to, no, but it is getting warm real quick here. So look outside the box on different things that you think, I got to do this or I got to do that on. There may be a way, such as just using a simple bolt to hold something in place to make it work other than what it was designed, it was advertised for. This was advertised to go on a hot surface of the top of a wood burning stove, and then the heat comes up and creates electricity and causes it to start to go. And it's starting to get, okay, it is starting to go here. Let's see if I get it, we'll keep going. Nope, not quite, but it is something you should think about to use things for other purposes than what they were initially designed for. But was an interesting thing too, after I saw what Gunslinger had done with his, when I was looking at some other ones, 2 different ones they photoshopped a fan onto the Mr. Heater Buddy here so that it would look like it was made to go on there. It's not made to go on there, but you can make it work fairly easy. All right, is it ready to go yet? It's getting there. So yeah, I'm rambling on here because I thought, last time I did it, it heated up a lot quicker and started working quicker. So it works really great too because basically the Mr. Heater, it radiates out some and all the heat goes up. When you get the fan blowing, it blows it across the room, so it actually works a little bit better. Let's see if it'll, there it's starting to go. It's trying to go. That stopped. Let's see if it stays going this time. It's slowly heating up and getting to go there. It's trying to go. There, it's picking up speed on its own. So that's one way. Once it gets going and it's turning really fast, it'll blow air across the room. It worked really good yesterday and today back in the office back there, and there it goes picking up speed. And all it's doing, the heat that's coming out here and rising up is heating up the aluminum base, which is conducting the heat up into the part that creates electricity there. And there it goes, it's going fast. All right, so before I take off, I'm going to put a video up here to the unboxing of the one I'm using in the office. And then I'll put a playlist down here that you should be interested in about mail calls. I'll put another video over here dealing with my indoor garden experiment, and I'll put the link up here to my other channel, Gray Man Prepping, for prepping purposes.